Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a credit card as your payment method on Shopify. Step 1. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Step 2. From the left sidebar, you can go to the settings and then click on the billing section. Step 3. In the payment methods, you can click add payment method. And then step 4. Choose credit card and enter your card details including the name, number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 5. Click confirm or save, and then Shopify will verify your card, and once it is accepted, it will be used for future billing, including app charges, plan fees, and domain renewals. Also, make sure that the card has sufficient balance and allows international online payments to avoid failed charges. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.